UTI Multi-Asset Allocation Fund. In the world of investment, building an investment portfolio is like crafting a well-balanced diet for your health. Ensuring overall health, just like that, your investment portfolio also needs different kind of asset classes with the right balance. Invest in UTI Multi-Asset Allocation Fund, which offers mix of 3 different asset classes for your portfolio, just like a plate of balanced meal. It invests in equity required for long-term wealth creation, fixed income for relative stability and income generation, gold helps to hedge against inflation and volatility. What makes UTI Multi-Asset Allocation Fund unique is its dynamic model-based approach. Picture it like a skilled chef, adjusting the proportions of various components based on the season or the changing needs of your body. Similarly, the fund adapts its allocation dynamically to respond to ever-changing market conditions, helping your investments stay well-balanced without you needing to make constant adjustments. Just as a balanced diet is crucial for a healthy body, UTI Multi-Asset Allocation Fund offers a well-rounded investment approach. It combines expertise and innovation, providing you with a diversified and responsive financial strategy. So, whether you are new to investing or looking to enhance your financial well-being, consider UTI Multi-Asset Allocation Fund as your guide to a balanced and thriving investment journey. Invest wisely and let your financial health flourish. Invest in UTI Multi-Asset Allocation Fund, a single fund investing into equities, fixed income and gold. Dynamic asset allocation based on proprietary model, tax efficient. To know more, contact your MFD or RIA or call 8655019940.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.